Have you ever wondered what common diseases can affect the uterus? Just like any other organ in our body, the uterus isn't immune to health issues. In fact, it can be subject to a variety of diseases that can affect its structure, function, and overall health. Let's take a quick tour through some of the common uterus diseases that we hear about often. First off, we have fibroids, benign tumors that can grow within and around the uterus. Then there's endometriosis, a condition where tissue that normally lines the inside of your uterus grows outside of it. And of course, we can't forget about uterine cancer, a type of cancer that begins in the cells that make up the uterus. These are just a few examples of the many diseases that can affect this vital organ. But what exactly are these conditions and why do they occur? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the science behind these diseases in the next segment. To understand these diseases, you need to grasp the basics of how the uterus functions. The uterus, also known as the womb, is a remarkable organ. It's a key player in the reproductive system, providing a nurturing environment for a fertilized egg to grow into a fetus. But like any organ, it's not immune to problems. So let's dive into the science behind common uterus diseases. First up is uterine fibroids, benign tumors that grow within the muscle tissue of the uterus. They can range from the size of a pea to that of a melon, and while their cause remains unknown, factors like hormonal changes and genetic variations are believed to play a significant role. Symptoms can vary, but they often include heavy menstrual bleeding, prolonged periods, and discomfort in the pelvic area. Next, we have endometriosis. This condition occurs when tissue similar to the uterine lining grows outside the uterus, causing chronic inflammation and scar tissue. Again, the exact cause is still a mystery, but scientists think that hormonal imbalance, immune system issues, and certain genetic factors might be involved. Symptoms typically include painful periods, pain during intercourse, and fertility issues. Polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS, is another common condition that can impact the uterus. While it primarily affects the ovaries, it can cause the uterine lining to thicken, leading to heavy or irregular periods. This condition is often linked to insulin resistance and can lead to a host of other health problems like diabetes and heart disease. Lastly, there's uterine cancer, the most serious of these conditions. This cancer develops when cells in the uterus start to grow out of control. Risk factors include age, obesity, and a history of certain other cancers. Symptoms often include abnormal vaginal bleeding, pelvic pain, and unexpected weight loss. These conditions can have significant effects on a woman's health and quality of life. It's crucial to understand these diseases, not just to treat them, but also to explore avenues for preventing them and improving the lives of those affected. Now that you are aware of these diseases, you might be wondering, how can they be treated or even prevented? Well, treatments for uterus diseases can vary greatly depending on the type and severity of the condition. Common treatments often involve medication to manage symptoms or target the disease directly. In some cases, surgery may be required to remove fibroids or even the entire uterus in severe scenarios. But it's not all about pills and procedures. Lifestyle changes can also play a significant role in managing and preventing these conditions. This could involve maintaining a balanced diet, regular exercise, and reducing stress levels. Remember, regular checkups are crucial. They allow for early detection, which can significantly improve the outcome. It is essential to consult with healthcare professionals regularly and have open discussions about any concerns or symptoms you may be experiencing. Remember, knowledge is the first step towards prevention and treatment. Understanding the science behind uterus diseases can help demystify these conditions and enhance healthcare outcomes. We've journeyed through the complex biology of the uterus, unpacking the causes and effects of various diseases. We dove into the science, dissecting how these conditions develop and impact the body. We've also explored the available treatments and preventative measures, shedding light on the advancements in medical science that are making a difference. Remember, knowledge is power. Being aware of these diseases, their symptoms and treatments can make a world of difference. It can lead to early detection, effective treatment, and ultimately, better health outcomes. The world of medical science is vast and ever-evolving, and we're here to help navigate it with you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more insightful videos, and don't hesitate to comment with topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.